In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a hidden footer in Microsoft PowerPoint. This is a common point of confusion because PowerPoint doesn't handle footers the way Microsoft Word does. In Word, the footer is a special area you edit or remove through dedicated controls. In PowerPoint, what looks like a footer is often just a regular text box placed at the bottom of the slide. Once you know that, removing it becomes quick and straightforward. Let's walk through it together. With your presentation open, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. Click Header and Footer. In the window that opens, make sure Footer is selected but leave the text box empty, then click Apply. Even with an empty box, you'll notice something appears at the bottom of your slide. That's the hidden footer people talk about. There's no text, but the placeholder object is still there. Here's the key difference from Word. If you look for a special remove button or a command that says delete footer, you won't find it. PowerPoint isn't creating a true footer area. It's inserting an ordinary text box that happens to sit where a footer would normally be. Click directly on that footer area. You should see selection handles appear around it. And the Drawing Tools or Shape Format tab will show up on the ribbon. That's your confirmation that PowerPoint is treating it like a shape or a text box, not a special footer region. Because it's just a normal object. You can drag it around if you want, but to remove it, you don't need any special commands. Simply select the footer object and press the delete key on your keyboard. That's it. The placeholder disappears immediately, and the slide no longer has that hidden footer. If you accidentally remove the wrong thing, just undo your last action and try again. If it's tricky to click, zoom in a bit or click near the edge of the box until the selection handles appear. Once you've done that, the hidden footer is completely removed from the slide, and you can continue editing your content without that extra box getting in the way, and that's all there is to it. PowerPoint makes something that looks like a footer, but under the hood, it's just a text box you can select and delete like any other object. I hope this cleared up the confusion and saved you some time. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching.